Hello everybody. Today's lesson is about a review of a grammar review. That is to say, we are going to see the tenses we saw before, the present simple, present continuous, and the going to plus verb. Then we are going to correct the exercises I gave you before in order to work on. Let's start. We have a small review of the present simple. We use the present simple to talk about routines and habits, facts and general truths, or permanent or long-term situations. For example, Anna goes to school every day at 7 o'clock. Philip studies German 3 times a week. In South Korea, students stay at school until they are 20 years old. Water damages mobile phones. My brother lives in Athens, Greece. Hannah wears glasses. The present simple is used with every day, 3 times a week, until they are 20 years old. Water damages mobile phones. That's a general truth. General truth is a truth that doesn't change with time. So water damages mobiles all the time. The mobile phones are damaged by water. When we put a mobile into water, it will be damaged. This is a general truth. Like the sky is blue, the sun rises from the east, etc. These are general truths and universal truths. My brother lives in Athens. He lives all the time there. Doesn't live just for a certain time and he will move. If we want to compare it with the present continuous, here, Anna goes to school every day. We say Anna is going to school now at this moment. We are talking about the moment, not a moment in general. Okay? This is the form of the present continuous. How we form it? We have I think, you think, he thinks, etc. In the negative form we use don't and doesn't. Doesn't with he, she and it. And with the other personal pronouns or subject pronouns we use don't. In the interrogative form we have either do or does. Does with he, she and it. Do with the remaining subject pronouns. As for the present continuous, as we said, we use it with now. It is an action that is taking place at this moment of speaking. When I am talking now, I am talking. I am teaching you. We can talk about an action that we are looking at. We are looking at a person. This person is doing his homework. We can say at the moment, at this moment. All this can tell us that we must use the present continuous. The form of present continuous. We have the subject pronoun I, you, he, she, etc. We have plus verb to be plus the verb, any verb you have here, ran, go, stay, etc. plus ing form. In the negative form, we add just not to all the verbs, all the sentences we add not, and we have the negative form. I am teaching English. I am not teaching French. Am I teaching English? We have the inversion of the subject in the interrogative form. We use it at this moment, at the moment of speaking. Then the future with be going to. That's the near future. We use be going to. You are going to do something. It is used for plans. You can use be going to plus infinitive to talk about the future plans. That is a plan. You have the intention to do it before. It expresses an intention, decision which has already been made. So I take my school bag on my back. That is to say, I am going to school. I have decided to go to school. I am going to study. I'm going to tell him this evening. She isn't going to work there. Are you going to read the book? For a present, we use it also for a present evidence. You can also use be going to plus infinitive to predict future from present evidence. For example, the future event is on the way. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. You see the cloud on the sky and you say to your friend, oh, it's going to rain. That's an evidence. Look at the boy. He is going to fall. Look at the boy. The boy is on the chair, for example, and he is going to fall. That's all for the explanation, and now you are going to do the exercises I gave you and we correct them together. Let's correct them together.